So we've talked about publishing using the publish feature and clicking on that and getting this dialog box and publishing. We've talked about going up and coming up to the file, upload to FTP. The last one is we're going to talk about is export to HTML. And you can see right here that I've got my document that I was using before. If I go to the plan view, you can see that it's just a very single basic site, so it's going to be very fast to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to File, Export as HTML. And then once I do that, it's going to ask me, well, what's my domain name? And in this case, it is CT McDonald, so I want to make sure I do that. And then where do I want to save it? So I need to have a spot to save it. So I'm going to come up to my web page, going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to go into this desktop folder, and I get this demo folder. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to come up to that desktop folder here, come to this desktop folder, and create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Demo Muse Export. There we go. And now I've got that Demo Muse export. I'm going to click open, and now you can see that it's navigating to that. I'm going to click OK. It's gone through and it's gone out and published that page. Now in my desktop, if I go looking for that Export Muse desktop, you'll notice it's created a CSS and created all that files for me. It's grabbed my image. There's only one image in that document. It's created the index page for me, which is essentially that page. A Muse manifest, which tells it what to use and how to use it, a scripts file, and it's also created a sitemap XML, which is great for SEO. So it's kind of done everything for me. All I need to do is to take all of these individual objects and using a tool like maybe Transmit or something like that. If I can find Transmit for you right here, I got Transmit. I can use an FTP client, and as long as I know the information to my FTP, I can post that using that tool. And it's just like posting any other website. So that's really all there is to it, to post a export to HTML.